Hello everyone, we are going to study about rights commissions. Numerous commissions are at work in the country. These commissions help protect the rights of the people, especially the weaker sections of our society. Among these commissions, the following major commissions together with their details are given. National Human Rights Commission. The National Human Rights Commission NHRC of India, an autonomous body, was established on October 12, 1993. Under the provision of the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, the Commission is in conformity with the Paris Principles. October 1991, the NHRC consists of a chairperson who has been a Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India. The other members are a judge of the Supreme Court or has been a judge, the Chief Justice of a High Court or has been so, and two other members with knowledge or practical experience of human rights. The chairperson of the National Commission for Minorities, the National Commission for Women, chairperson of National Commission of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes are its ex officio members. The chairperson and members of the NHRC are appointed by the President on the recommendations of a committee consisting of the Prime Minister, the Speaker of the House of the People, the Home Minister, the leaders of the opposition in both the houses of the Parliament, and the Deputy Chairman of the Council of States. The functions of NHRC are proactively or reactively inquire into violations of human rights or negligence in the prevention of such violation by a public servant, intervene in any proceeding involving allegation of violation of human rights pending before a court, visit any jail or other institution under the control of a government where persons are detained or lodged for purposes of treatment, reformation, and protections, for the study of the living conditions of the inmates and make recommendations, review safeguards provided by or under the Constitution or any law for the time being in force for the protection of human rights, and recommend measures for their effective implementation. Review acts of terrorism that inhibit the enjoyment of human rights and recommend appropriate remedial measures, study treaties and other international instruments on human rights and make recommendations for their effective implementation, undertake and promote research in the field of human rights, spread literacy among the various sections of the society and promote awareness of safeguards available for the protection of these rights through publications, the media, seminars, and other available means. Encourage efforts of NGOs and institutions working in the field of human rights. Take suo motu action if required in a case of if the victim is not in a position to assess a court and such other functions as it may consider if necessary for the protection of human rights. All the members are appointed for a period of 5 years or till the age of 70, whichsoever is earlier. Any person can be removed from office on ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity and in the manner as prescribed for the judge of the Supreme Court. NHRC is not only an investigation body, it is also a body that holds inquiry into complaints. For this purpose, the Commission broadly divides cases in these categories: custodial deaths, police excesses, torture, illegal detention, unlawful arrest, false implication, fake encounters, cases related to women and children, atrocities on Dalits, members of the minority community, disabled, bonded labor, armed forces, paramilitary forces, and other important cases. It is worthwhile to illustrate National Human Rights Commission State of Arunachal Pradesh case 1996, in which the Supreme Court directed the government of Arunachal Pradesh to ensure the life and personal liberty of each and every Chakma residing within the state. The significance of this judgment also lies in clearing the doubts regarding the applicability of fundamental rights to refugees. This decision rules that foreigners are entitled to enjoy the protection of the right to life and liberty under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. There is yet another illustration: two writs petitions, Paramjit Kaur, State of Punjab, and Committee for Information on Punjab, State of Punjab, were filed in the Supreme Court in 1995, containing serious charges. The apex court observed that 585 dead bodies were fully identified, 274 partially identified, and 1,238 unidentified, and that there was flagrant violation of the human rights on a large scale. On 12 December 1996, the Supreme Court requested the HR Commission to have the matter examined in accordance with the law and determine all issues related with the case. The Gujarat communal rights incident is yet another illustration which has come under NHRC scrutiny.